How to host your own Git server and why it's worth it? Tired of relying on GitHub or GitLab to host your code? You can self-host your own Git server for free, forever. You get total control, no repo limits, full offline access, and no one can pull the plug. Avoid platform lock-in. Keep your code and workflows portable and compliant. Your first option is Gitea or Forgejo. They feel like GitHub, but run on your server with low resource usage. It runs in a single container on one port, easy. If you're comfortable with CLI, try Gitolite or even bare Git over SSH. Fast, powerful, minimal, no UI needed. Just push and pull from your terminal. Perfect for personal workflows. You'll need a small VM from UpCloud, OVH Cloud or Scaleway. Docker or a minimal Linux setup and SSH keys. Want more? Add Drone CI for automation, your own Docker registry, or even a bug tracker. Even companies use this setup for internal dev and better compliance in Europe. It's simple, fast, free, and it's totally yours. Would you host your own Git server? Why or why not? Drop it in the comments, like and follow for developer-first tools and ideas that actually work.